This is Trucker Tim. He's in a truck. Welcome back to another Trucker Tim video, where today, guys, we're going to get up to all sorts of things, lots of updates, lots of things to come. But the first thing is Mrs. Trucker Tim is going to have a go in the Trucker Tim Experiences truck for the first time.
I can't find my thing, seatbelt.
So, oh, plane. It's windy up there today.
It is, isn't it?
No phones at the wheel, please.
Got an email. Oh my God.
Whoa.
Yep.
Are you nervous?
Apprehensive. Oh, where's the brake?
Oh Christ, really? There it is!
Just checking I knew where the brake was. I don't feel very comfy. I'm not comfy. I'm not
stop
right.
then. What, you want to go forward a bit?
No, back a bit.
Back?
Can you take this hat off my head?
No, it's all part of the experience. Come on!
No, I think I'm right here now. I feel better
No, you
now.
don't look comfortable.
I'm not comfortable, that's why.
You just said you were better now. You think we'll get a lap in today, Helen? Or...
I'm just going at my own leisurely pace.
Yeah, I could see that. Come this way more. Got to gooseneck it. Keep going straight!
But I don't want to. I can't get the hang of it.
On.
This is left as it'll go.
How are you finding the experience?
Stressful.
Round to the right, hard round! No. Hard round! Hard round! You've missed the turning!
Why can't I go this way?
Because this isn't the course that Trucker Tim has designed to get you the best experience of driving an Arctic. How are we going to sort this out? Stop here a minute. How are we going to go?
I was going to do another lap.
What, a lap of honour?
Well, I'll just go where I feel like, alright?
No, not alright. I'm going to end this course in a minute. You're not goosenecking out here.
Goosenecking pit.
Helen! This is a PG channel! Why are you braking like that?
I'm checking! Doing fine. I nearly hit that.
You did actually. Don't turn yet. Straight. Look, let me try and help you.
But I don't like you touching the wheel.
Straight. Now, fast left, hard. Okay, let's do a reverse. Push that to R.
Am I in R?
Does that look like an R to you?
Oh, what, that line you mean?
Yes.
Well, you didn't make that clear, did you?
No one else has had trouble. Anyway, off we go. Nice, not too much. Not too much, because it'll come round as quicker than you think.
Oh, I think I'm stuck in a divot.
A divot? Now start chasing it round. Other way, other way.
Oh, turn.
Hard
Oh
round.
my God.
Chase around.
Oh!
Go on.
This is the bit I'm not too sure about.
Go on.
Come on. Wait.
Congratulations. We're supposed to go over there, mate.
Mate?
Yeah.
I'm not your mate.
Helen, we're on a tyre. Helen!
No, we're not. Yeah, we were. Harder than you think.
Oh. Anybody that's done a Trucker Tim Experience Day will know that Helen is going the completely wrong direction right now.
I was going to go over there to drop my trailer.
Okay, yeah, drop it where you like. Drop it here if you want. I don't care. Handbrake, that's why it's beeping. Quick!
You haven't told me these things. You've got to instruct me properly.
You'll need these.
Okay.
First thing you want to do, Helen, you want to wind down your legs on the high quality trailer we have here. It goes.
Oh my God.
Pull that red one, please. Come on, keep pulling, harder. Keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling. Hey, hey, you did it. Give me, are you well? Give me 5. Oh, steady on.
I just started.
Twist the key. Hopefully you should leave the trailer behind, Helen, if we've done things correct.
Hi, trailer.
There it goes. Did well there, dear.
Thank you. On your mark, get set, go.
Pop that. Oh, there's my phone. Oh, pop that. Chuck her in. Oh, look at the dust.
See how many tyres he hits.
Oh, we got a lean on.
Oh my God.
So you rejoin me at a very snowy Hall Agriculture Yard. Let's go and see how Matty's been getting on with Martin's new lorry. Well, look at this. You've got the wheels on. I wanted to put one on myself.
Sorry.
Look at all this. This is all painted and back on. Does look good. I see you got the big tank off the back.
Yeah.
That sits there. Was it empty of oil like we said we thought it was?
No.
I think you might need some spill granules.
I think so too.
So yeah, what are you up to here then?
Basically trying to work out what they have done with the tipping gear, really.
Oh, is it a bit of a...
Bit of a hodgepodge, really.
Hodgepodge! I like that. It's like a bloody octopus.
It is.
What is going on here?
The bloke who had it was just a bit confused.
Got all the painted goodies on. Does look good. The fog lights in. Are they wired in?
No. Nice paint job on this one.
I'm happy with progress.
Yeah.
Where are my hoodies? I've got some hoodies. They're at Newborough.
Yeah, they're at Newborough, yeah.
They're not here, where Martin said they would be. WS Transport.
It does.
There.
Gotta get polishing.
Do you have perimeter lights or anything?
Well, we want some.
Splashing the cash. But then... Oh, this would be good for outside in the snow today.
And also we could use that one for sledging.
Hang on a minute. Let's get in me sledge. We're sledging!
You're right, I heard a lot of noise.
You are a maniac. A wet bum.
Oh, that's a shame. You want to go sledging?
They are good for sledging. Well, there we go. That was successful, I feel.
Fun, yep.
That was
Oh,
successful.
you got this new truck, do you?
Yeah, please. Oh, yes, in. I enjoyed that.
Yeah, it's fun.
You got anything I can warm my bum up on?
Bit more. You're not on fire yet. Oh, there we go. I think
Oh, nut covers.
nut covers.
Me and Martin picked these up with the wheels. I'll put one on.
You've got to have it all. Come on, Tim. You've got to have it going around like a circle. Come on. Yeah, that's the
Nearly
service.
fell in the oil. You got any string?
I think there's 1, 2, 3. Are you going to come and drive an harvest?
Yes, I'm going to be a track. Oh, that.
Well,
want
okay,
to drive that.
you're coming with me chasing then, are you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm good at chasing.
I don't know.
I can chase all sorts of things, me. So this is not a boomerang. It's a. We could try it as one though. Is it going to come back to me?
Don't think so. Well, yep, there we go.
Give it away to somebody in the comments. So if you want this, put wind deflector in the comments, and I'll choose someone who's typed wind deflector at random to win this. Good man. So I've just come over to Martin's other yard. It is the same day, about an hour later, but all the snow has gone. I've literally just been ragging my new car around on this field here. That is in a video to come, to make sure you hit the subscribe button. And yeah, basically we get up to all sorts in the new car.
What you got there?
What do you think to these, Sean?
What do they say, whole agriculture on them?
Now available in the merch store.
Not as good as mine.
We're going to have to have a competition to see who sells the most. These are in the merch store now, so go buy them, and yeah, we'll see who sells the most. Might be some tadpoles in there. Yeah, we're going to try and get her started. It's the first time it's been started in a very, very long time, since we put it in the shed for shop blasting. That was a long time ago. So we'll see if it starts, get it inside, ready for Mark Cox from Scania to turn up and make a massive list of everything we need for this. I think it's going to be quite extensive, don't you, Ash?
Very.
We are going to be going to many a shows with this old girl when she's done. I can't wait for it to be done.
Give her some power. Give her a go. You smoking? Look at that! Right then. Oh.
I put this cover on to stop it getting wet. Nothing wrong with this old girl. I don't know where that goes. Do you?
Not at the minute.
Is this integral?
No.
So obviously, as you can hear, she runs absolutely fine, bless her. But there's no air tanks on it. There's no air tanks, so there's nowhere for the air to build up, so it's just blowing straight out. So what we're going to do, get the JCB, under here, lift it up and drag it into the shed. So that's the next job. She's moving! Way up! Go on, old girl. Mark Cox will be here in a minute to make his list. I think we're going to need a couple of bits. Yeah, he's oh mate, he's just pulled out and his pin weren't in. So yeah, that's slid down. Get the trailer brake on and whoosh. Yeah, he's on the run-ups. We're fine. Okay, driver. Well saved. There we go. Here she comes.
Very nice.
Mark's here.
Hello.
It only needs a couple of bits, Mark. Did you bring your notepad? Where are you going? You can't just walk off. Have a little sifty through that. When we first got the truck, we did a little list. Yeah, that's probably, yeah, let's just chuck that to one. Where do you start? I mean, brake chamber maybe needed here. What are you doing there?
Got the chassis.
Oof. Steady. This bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this bolt. Are you right, mate? This one's...
What's the hammer for?
Hey, this?
Yeah.
I always carry one of these around, Mark, just in case. I bought this in here especially for you, Mark, so you didn't get wet.
Thank you. Yeah, but I don't think it had spring brake on the rear axle.
Why are you asking me questions like this? I don't know.
You took it off?
It's in the skip now.
When you did a brake, where's that? I only had to sing because there's no part brake.
Okay. Needs a full set of that. Just whatever that is. I told you, it's going to take a while. We've got a squirter here. Make a note.
That's a bit of a mess, isn't it?
A bit of a mess. New loom, please. Not, yeah? Loom.
Yeah, that's all right, mate.
That's all right.
So you want the front loop?
Front loom, whole loom. Yeah, new airline, please.
Who did that?
I don't know. That's a PG9 right there, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think this start again with the whole thing. It's going to be repiped as well.
Yeah.
All repiped. Airbags. I've got some down there just milling around.
Where's the map?
Yeah, they're down there. Ah, pads. Because they blasted through all the pads. So, pads all round. Thank you.
They're worn out.
They're worn out. I thought they might. I think we'll just go new all round.
Still got the rear junction box?
Yes? No, but I need a new one.
Yes, no.
I
You haven't?
I have, but it's smashed.
So you haven't done it?
Cos hammer. I have got that somewhere. But how much are they? Are they expensive?
No.
I'll get one of them on there then. That looks expensive. That's got EBS written on it.
It's about £1,100.
1100. I don't think this is original.
No.
Are you having the aircon working?
Yes, I am.
You better put a condenser down there. 'Cause,
Oh.
you know, look at the state of that. You know that ain't gonna hold no gas.
Yeah, no, that's not going to work, is it?
I don't think that's gonna be too crappy.
You got a bit dirty there, mate. Cab locks as well. Oh my good lord, look at that.
I see you've already done one of these defects, near side front tyre. You've replaced that.
I've replaced it, but with a drive tyre. What's in there? Oh! Ow.
Holland filter.
That goes in there.
Filter tank.
Oh! We got an EDC light on.
I wonder why.
It's a bit smucky. Are you happy with that then, Mark?
Yeah, very happy.
You got a good list there?
Yeah.
Thank you. Are you going to place an order then, or?
No, are you going to place an order?
No, I'm going to place an order, yeah.
Yeah.
No, you're going to place it for me.
Okay, for you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank
Deliver
you.
it, yeah.
Can we have a look at the list? Okay, thank you very much.
No, thank you.
So Mark's going to find me some prices. Bit nervous actually.
Rear axle bump stops.
Yeah.
4 needed.
4 needed, and how many in stock?
4.
4. Press enter. Ordered.
Yeah.
In the basket. I'm going to be late to Transtech. They're waiting for me to show them my R-Series progress. Okay, last job of the day. Let's go and see how they're getting on with my R-Series. Why is there a hospital bed out here? It looks very good, I have to say.
We've been busy.
I can see. Catwalk's on. I'm very excited. A-frame is on. One thing I've noticed, then we're going to fill it up with fuel.
I didn't think you needed to get to that.
Of course I do. But yeah, will you put me a flap in or something so I can fill it up with fuel? That'd be handy.
Yeah.
You'll do
that? Yeah, okay. I'll do it just for you.
New hydraulic fittings.
Oh, yeah.
They're my hoses up there.
Don't they look clean?
Look at them. Gone all out.
Got a light.
Marker lights go in there. I want some marker lights on here as well, don't forget.
Lots of lights.
Perimeter lights. Like, in all seriousness, actually. How long
Yeah.
will it take you to knock up a full width A-frame? Because I'm thinking we should be covering this up. And we could do something for that.
Yeah, we'll do that. Raffle it off or something.
Yeah. I'll speak to Richie, see how quick he can. Because, you know, we've got till May. We might.
Yeah, got to, yeah. Mate, it's coming quick.
He's coming quick. Got my bumper. You've not done that
I haven't
yet.
started yet.
I haven't done that yet. All my visor.
We ain't had long. Are you excited?
I am very excited. I'm very happy with that one.
Good.
When you come around this way, you obviously move my tanks.
Yeah,
Done
tanks
that.
are gone.
Gonna have double lights. Oh, I need to order some more lights then, don't I?
Yes. Ooh.
Now feel that one. What's up with that? I'll buy 4.
It's like it's melted.
Yeah, I'll buy 4.
Oh, that's weird.
You're gonna box that in then,
Yeah.
aren't you, mate? Double up the lights, beefy flap. So that's gonna go. Well, it's gonna go right across there, isn't it? That's gonna go like that. So that'll be. So these are my light strips. We did do this last time, but we'll do it again now the catwalk's on
yeah.
to get a better. Have you got a G clamp? These are called, don't tell me, mole grips.
Yes, Timmy boy.
I know what Stilsons are as well.
Right, swap. Hold the camera.
I can do tools too, Lauren.
Yeah, okay. I've got your bald patch.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Pass me my tool, you can have yours back. Don't want them too far in though, Ryan, because they'll look stupid.
You don't want them too far in?
No.
Then you said too far out the other day. You make mine up. I need bending in.
Yeah, obviously that'll bend round.
Yeah.
I'm going to start it up.
Give her a whirl.
Are the exhausts on? Probably.
Probably.
Drive it in.
Flick the switch. You don't like them there, do you?
To be honest, I thought you was going to put the big ones on. Or to be too big? You got any deep ones in stock? You make some up quick.
Yeah.
We'll let the viewers decide.
Okay.
Should these be a bit deeper, or are we happy with this sort of depth? I really don't know. I just think this is. That's a big A-frame.
No, you can't have one.
Okay. I like what you did there though, with the old second steer. Toe hook. Right, you've done this for me. Cut this out. So this, have you tried it to see if it moves?
Yeah, of course.
You've tried it?
Yeah.
Of course you have. Because this moves backwards and forwards when you, with the mid steer. So yeah, we've done this. And I think this will be nice, because what I'm going to do, this will be blue with the tops off, and this white, I think. Oh, you got a battery? What's my catwalk? That is going to reflect lovely off the catwalk. Where's the light switch?
Oh, we're flickering.
Oh, it's like Christmas! Oh. Look at that. I won't hold you up anymore. I'll come back when the
Rear infill.
rear infill's complete.
Yeah.
And the back bar,
the
the back bit will be on, won't it?
Yeah.
Come back then. Yeah, thank you very much, Ryan.
You're welcome.